Right, let's go. Here we go. We're live. We're live. Crypto Insight UK. Here we go. Here we go. Hello, good morning, everybody. It's Crypto Insight UK here, and I'm coming at you on the 18th of May. It's 11:15 a.m. BST, and we're going to be jumping straight into the charts. We'll start today with the Bitcoin chart. Let me just zoom out a little bit and tell you what I put yesterday. Some technical analysis that I put into our TA group chat. I basically said Bitcoin's been ranging between 46,500 and 63,000 for roughly 90 days. It's lost the 46,500 support level. We need a reversal to come from the 200-day with big volume, hopefully break into this range again and above, out on its way towards 70,000. We could be looking at an ABC correction here. So there's A wave down, B wave back up, C wave back down. So now what we're looking for is to bounce out of this zone. I also put, this is the first time Bitcoin has retested the 200-day EMA on this bull cycle, and this is on the daily chart, so I'll just show you that on the daily. If you look here, this is the first time Bitcoin has tested the 200-day EMA on this bull cycle. As you can see, it wicked down and touched that. It's coupled with the previous all-time high set in January, roughly $42,000, which is here. This is the key level. In a double support area, we may look for a reversal here. If we lose this level, we could look down to 30,000. But it does so far look like we've bounced off this level, as I was saying yesterday, which is pretty cool to see. We'll get a bit closer on the hourly. I think we triple bottom it on the hourly. We do, but we haven't broke this high, which is still kind of negative. We have broke this high, so that's kind of good. So as we can see here, it's 1, 2, and then a third bottom out of there. Quite a bullish sign. But what we do want to happen is to break above this recent high, so we can start looking at some positive momentum. Otherwise, we could range between here and look towards falling down lower into the 30,000 area. But what I want to see is some volume come through, break above this level, get back into this range that I was talking about, the 46,500 to the 62,000 or 58,000. There's a lot of resistance there too from the previous all-time high, which was over here somewhere. Where is it? Here. So that's what I'm looking to happen with Bitcoin. It is a better day. Oh, let me do that. It's a better, more positive day in the market today. So this ABC correction, A, B, C, and hopefully come out of this pattern. Let's have a look what's going on elsewhere in the market. So we've got Litecoin up 10%. It's bounced off this Fibonacci retracement level here, and we're looking to head up above this Fibonacci retracement. We're trying to get above this all-time high. It's been really struggling, but what I do like about Litecoin is if we go on the 4-hourly, it respects quite a wave pattern. So we're going wave, one up, wave, 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 and they're getting more and more volatile. As I was saying yesterday in yesterday's YouTube video, this wave down is pretty sharp compared to what it's been doing. So sharp wave down, accumulation, wave up, sharp wave down, wave up, sharp wave down, wave up. We should be looking to break the all-time high on this wave is what I'd be looking at. Let's have a look at the boy XRP. My guy's ready for a breakout. He looks like he's starting to pop off now a little bit, or she, whichever way you want to look at it, him or her. We need to first get above these highs here. There's quite a lot of resistance around this level. If we can blast through the 161, and then I'll be really bullish when we can get above that 175, because we could be on for a breakout when that happens. If that happens, we've got the next target above that of 196 and $2. If we get through there, we're looking at all-time highs. I have been saying all-time highs for the end of the month. If you've been following my channel, that's what I've been saying for quite a while now. But that's looking quite a strong breakout so far. If we get above this high and don't reject it, we need to really target this area and get above this 175 area that is providing some resistance, or has been in the past. If we can get a daily candle close in this sort of range, we are looking very strong for the future. Let's go and have a look at the total market cap. So the total market cap came down and wicked onto 1,900,000,000,000 twice. We're back above the 2 trillion now. We need quite a lot of resurgence to get us back above this $2.4 trillion mark. And let's have a look at the drop that we took. So we had a 23% correction. It's not really too big, like in terms of cryptocurrency. I know it sounds like a lot if you're new to the market, but trust me, this is nothing. In Bitcoin, we had only a 35% correction in 2017. We had 7 corrections of between 35 and 45% throughout that bull run. So let's just have a look at XRP on this other chart. So it's still within my bull flag range. If we break through this, wow, it looks like we're really testing the top of that bullish pennant that I even posted this out on TikTok yesterday. But it looks like we're testing the top of that right now. So if we can get some big volume to come up through here, we could be on for a major breakout. So let's see, fingers crossed, and keep your eyes on XRP. Something else I wanted to touch on was the fear and greed index. This is the first time that the fear has been this low for a long time. We're in extreme fear, whereas last month we were in extreme greed. What that normally means is it's a bit like the RSI. It can give you a bit of an indication as to whether the market thinks we're overbought or oversold. Currently, it thinks we are in like a buying zone. When it's extreme fear, it's normally an alright time to start scooping up some crypto. So then we can start running this greed cycle up and more people start to come into the market. So let's go and have another little look back over here. There was something else I wanted to cover, is that now the SEC have filed something against Ripple and XRP holders. They're trying to block the motion to intervene for the XRP holders. They've literally attacked each and every single XRP holder, which I think personally is just disgraceful from them. They're here to try and defend the retail investor, as what they say they set out to do, but they are doing the complete opposite, and they're making me really cross. I'm going to put a TikTok out about it soon, try and get you guys more clued up about what's going on there. Basically, they're also trying to shine a bad light on John Deaton, who's the lawyer representing the XRP holders, who is an ex-military lawyer, among a lot of other things, and has done a lot of things for the United States, and they're trying to shine a bad light on him. They're literally playing dirty tactics, the SEC. What else are we going to look at? VeChain comes up quite a lot in my chat, so let's have a little look into VeChain. As you can see, it's on a good consolidation. Let's see if we can get something with a bit more. No, that's VeChain Bitcoin. I want VeChain USD. Bitfinex. Okay, so let's see if we can get a Fibonacci level on here. I can have a little better look at it. Well, I mean, that wick is mahusav. We are going to see what VeChain is saying. I mean, it's kind of misleading because the wick's so high up at $1, but the consolidation is looking like a good consolidation. We wicked and candle closed above this Fibonacci retracement level for a while, came back and consolidated, tried to push back up, didn't quite get above, and then now we are accumulating around the 50-day moving average, which can be a bullish sign. So let's just see exactly what happens here. The next few days will be quite important for VeChain to see what sort of future we're looking at and what's going to play out. And as you can see, it wicked up and touched a 7.86 Fibonacci retracement level and struggled to get above the 702, which are massive numbers in crypto, and I can show you this with the Bitcoin chart. Let's just get rid of some of this text here now that we've talked through it. If we have a look at the Bitcoin chart with a little fib retracement on the last Bitcoin rally, we'll go from this wick down here. As you can see, I know it's still not that clear. As you can see, it did struggle to get above this 702 retracement level. In fact, it wicked up to it perfectly twice and rejected it. Let's have a look now. If we take the candles, the wick down to here, again, 702, it did reject 702 quite a lot even with this. So what we want to look for now is some volume to come through. We need to break through the support level here, and let's try and build some momentum up to try and get back above this point. I don't like how the 58,500 level is now doubling up with around the 702 level. That provides a massive area of resistance for Bitcoin. Ethereum had a massive rally run up. We're looking now to consolidate. It might touch the 50-day moving average and use that to bounce out of this zone. However, it could be accumulating. It did come down and basically, well, it got close to the 3,000 level. You could say that used that as support, and now we're trying to accumulate around this Fibonacci retracement level, get some volume and try and blast out of this area. Anything else that you want me to cover? Let's have a quick look into Doge, because everyone seems to like Doge. Yeah, this is something that I try and draw on in a lot of my YouTube videos, is that Doge went on a real rally, and if you take Fibonacci retracement the same sort of way as you would with XRP, then and look at how much it's smashed out of this fib zone. We've got an extra like 203% on the top of the Fibonacci retracement levels. So if we put an extra 203% on the top of XRP's fib retracement, let's see where that would take us to. That would take us towards the $41 mark for this bull cycle. And with that, guys, that's everything that I want to cover today in my YouTube video. So thank you all for watching. If you don't know, I do have a paid Patreon service. If anyone wants to get in any of our TA chats, have a look at my Patreon. There's a free link to our Telegram group chat in my bio, in the description for this video. And for everything else, I've got Instagram, TikTok. Please go drop me a follow on all of those. I appreciate all of your time, and peace out till the next one.